Guys, nauna na ako sa everyone. Kasi, iba yung flight ni Rai. And, boarding na siya in like 25 minutes. So, tinatry ko siyang habulin. Binili ko siya ng neck pillow. And I want him to have it on the flight. Let's get coffee. Coffino. Super cute. Ito lang yung arrivals, and then you go left from the arrivals, you'll see this SIM vending machine. So let's go! So, nakakuha kami ng got 5 SIM cards for 20k yen. 20,000.
Saktong 20k.
Super saktong 20k yen.
Post nyo na lang kung ano yung gusto nyo makita.
Oo, may different days for kung kailan or kung gaano kayo katagal here.
So ito yung recommended for that
1+1.
price.
Tapos sa Narita
Discounted,
Airport
no?
lang siya. So, kung ako sa inyo, get nyo na yan. Konnichiwa. Sunod lang tayo sa ating navigator. Merong nakalagay dito. Pwede kayong kumuha ng ticket sa information center. Meron dito sa isa. There. Unang sabak sa Family Mart. First, Conveniran. Got Spam and Egg Sando. Guys, super cool. Super cool. Ano? Hi guys! So the last time you saw me papunta dito sa Airbnb namin, we just grabbed dinner. Super gutom na kasi. I'm so sorry. Hindi ko na na-vlog. Actually, may clips ako sa phone ko. So, nakita niya na pala siya. Ang first meal namin in Japan is Korean. Eh kasi guys, yung nabook namin na Airbnb, nasa Korean town pala. Korean town. Sa Shinjuku. So, ngayon, ang plans namin, we are going to go out. Wait lang, itutour ko pala kayo sa Airbnb namin. Hagat kaming dalawa pa lang ni Ryan yung tao dito. This is the door. Shoes, dyan. Here, may washing machine. Laundry detergent. Mga towels. And then you have like small hand towels, may hangers din, may tissue, hair dryer, classic Japanese bathroom, tub siya na shower. We have like a full-length-ish mirror here, provided ng shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. And then, nandito lang yung separate na toilet. Doon na tayo sa main area. Ang dami kasi namin gamit, so talagang magulo. Anyway, so here, this is nice, you know, pag kailangan lang mag-toothbrush and stuff, I guess you do it here. Dining room, well, the dining table, super cool, I'm so sorry. We even have stove top, and you know what's nice? They have like an oven, they have a rice cooker, a water heater, and a coffee machine with free coffee pods. And then we have this refrigerator. Dito na yung 2 rooms. So, dalawa siyang double bed. Ayan, ganyan lang yung space sa gilid. But what's nice is talagang meron silang extension na ganito. It's our room. Hindi na siya kasing ayos. But there's Same setup, layout as the other room. Wala lang window or like patio. And that's it. And that's it. We're just getting ready. Okay. Bye!
We're back in Tokyo.
Ang lamig guys. So far.
Ito yung Kabukicho.
And ito yung may Halloween last year. No?
Dito, buong ko.
Guys, halata bang malamig? Nahalata niyo ba? Super lamig, guys. Mag-walking tour na lang muna tayo. Oh my gosh, babe, we're back! So, dito kami. Nanonood sa loob ng gloves yung lamig, guys. As in. Pupunta kami sa GU ngayon. Mamimili ng panglamig kasi obviously hindi kaya ng gamit namin. Super.
Bigla na lang mahuhulog. Alamig.
Grabe yung hands ko, sobrang... Dito na kami sa GU. Actually, ang hinahanap natin, puffer jacket or leather jacket. Puffer jacket and or leather jacket. We're back for the famous Pando. Guys, super sarap nito! Chicken super good. Nawawala yung lasa sa kanin eh. Sarap.
Nagulat.
Guys, I swear. Bumili kayo ng maple syrup and margarine pancakes. Lahat ng convenience store, Family Mart, Lawson, 7-Eleven, may kanyang-kanyang version nun. And feel ko yung best is 7-Eleven. Tumitingin kami ng mga heat up for tomorrow. Kasi super lamig talaga as in. Ito 16 pieces na to. Baka 16 hours. Guys, tingnan nyo, may emoji sa Lawson. How cute! Ang galing, ang cute, may emoji. Oh, even pens, oh. Perfect. Tapos may mga emoji food din. Anong drink natin? Gusto mo? Try naman tayo ng drink. Feel cool. JM recommends to. First time trying. Feel cool 400. Recommended by JM recommends.
Tapos, pinipinch dito pag ano.
Let's see if lasang Yakult talaga siya. Wala. Yakult na. Yakult na chamito. Okay. Pili na tayo. Ang kapatid. Maple and butter. Ay, margarine. Mas masarap talaga sa namin. Good morning, Tokyo! Today is our second day. It's now like 12:30. So we're just now going out of the house So we are going to grab some brunch at a famous katsu place. Ay, ang sarap ng suot ko! So, may heat tech ako, may sweater and a leather jacket. And walang cold na pumapasok sa katawan ko. Naka-skirt ako. Meron lang akong suot nung parang yung mga thermal na leggings na yung mga fleece yung loob. As of now, malamig siya. Feel ko pa rin yung lamig sa legs. But, tolerable naman. Tignan natin sa gabi. Kasi 7 degrees pa lang ngayon.
Oh, it's 7.
Yeah. I feel like later, medyo kailangan ko na mag-pants or
Kanina
something.
7 a.m. nagising ako 0 degrees.
Grabe, tanghaling tapat. Tapos ganito yung weather. I love it! So, ito yung neighborhood namin. Korean town to, guys. So, huwag kayong magulat kung puro Korean yung nakikita nyo na restaurants. But it's so nice. It's giving Hongdae vibes. Talaga. As in, feeling mo talaga sa Korea ka. Sarap! Grabe yung pechay, guys. Oh. This is it. Tonkatsu Matsunoya. Let's try! So, meron silang machine. Dito ko mag-order. Cheese. Ano kaya? Ito parang iba.
Yung sauce nila dito yung goma. Goma yung tawag.
Pretty good. What a beautiful day in Tokyo. Family Mart. Pero mamaya ka na. Hanap tayo ng... Actually, parang gusto mag-coffee.
Saan? Kaya ba ito?
Convenience stores.
Sige, pagdating doon, lakad
Yep.
muna tayo.
Lakad lang kami papunta sa center, guys. Makikipagkita lang kami sa mom ko. And then, I'll update you guys kung ano nang gagawin namin today.
Abang yung cameraman.
Ayun lang, guys, pag pumapasok kami sa loob ng mga convenience store or restaurants or whatever, as in talaga feeling ko pagpapawisan na ako. You wanna dress warm enough for outside, but also you're not like 100% outside all the time. Diba? Pagpapawisan ka na agad. Kanina nang nag-lunch kami, pinagpawisan na agad kami. So first thing talaga, kailangan talaga muna alisin yung mga outer layers. Oh, may nakita kaming fish. Hi, Dory. How are you? Ito yung masungit sa Finding Nemo, di ba? Ay, ito pala ito. Oo. Wow, talagang complete ang cast. Random ano lang siya, guys. Sa tabi ng daan. May ganyan lang. Doesn't Japan just amaze you? May mga gachapon dito. Very, very random. Guys, yun lang. Sobrang daming nagbabike dito. Hindi uso yung bell sa kanila or torotot. Tama ba? Hindi uso sa kanila yung papaalam nila na nandyan sila. No. Magugulat ka na lang, may mabilis na bike na dumaan sa gilid mo. Guys, pag nakita niyo yung Kabukicha Tower, meron ditong kebab shop. My gosh, you have to try their kebab sando. Actually, ito pala yung kinakain namin last night. Hindi ko lang napakita sa inyo yung shop kasi super lamig na talaga. And ito na yung Prince Hotel. So, super easy to spot. Mamaya kain ulit tayo niyan. At this very place where I'm standing, dito kami kumanta ng happy birthday to me. Last year,
Last year. 2023.
last year, 2023, for my birthday, I was standing here eating chicken karahage.
So we'll put the video here.
Happy birthday
Just so you guys know what we're talking about.
to you.
It's so nostalgic to be here again. Ikot lang kami
Okay, I'm dizzy now. I got a new knitted cap.
Budol na. Success. Budol number 1.
I got this for 5,500 yen, but may 10% off if minimum 5k. So 5k na lang. Time check, it's 3:30 p.m. And now we are going to make our way to Shibuya. Pakita ko sa inyo paano pumunta doon from Shinjuku. Okay, so tatawid kayo dun sa tunnel. And then, tawid din dito. Merong magandang palitan dito, right?
I think so. Yeah, nasa corner.
Ayan, yung nasa corner. Maganda daw yung palitan dito. Tapos, this is the famous Omoide Yokocho Street. Ito yung mga okay na palitan. So, pag nakita nyo yung Uniqlo, diretso lang kayo dito. Nasa Shinjuku Station na tayo. Diretso lang kayo. Meron kayong makikita ditong mga machines. Ito, beside the JR office. So, kung meron na kayong iCoca card or kung bumili kayo, dyan kayo magre-recharge. And here naman for tickets. Okay, so pipindutin nyo to para madamihan. Hahanapin nyo dito kung saan station kayo bababa. Yan. So, nakalagay 170. So, 170 yung fare na pipindutin nyo. From here, platform 14. Ayan. 14. Then you go up.
On the left side will open.
Sobrang sikip.
Please change your floor to over the subway line.
Paglabas, magla-left kayo sa Hachiko exit. Then we're gonna see Hachiko! Finally saw Hachiko! Hachiko! Nung last time na pumunta kami dito, under construction. Ngayon ko lang siya nakita. Super quick picture taking with Hachiko. And now this is Shibuya Crossing. Wala ka. Ayun na. Oo. Tawid-tawid lang. Tawid-tawid pa ulit. vintage shopping. I'm not sure yet what, but everyone wants to go to shop. So, una namin pupuntahan is 2nd Street. So pag nakita nyo tong Modi, dito na tayo. 2nd Street! Cute scarves. And we have bags here. Ito na yung mga mamahalin. Ito mga Coach bags. This one's 15k yen. 17.9. Cute. Dr. Martin pala siya. There's 6 small bags. 15.9. Mas mahal sa chain ng 2nd Street compared to other vintage shops. So, nandito tayo sa panglalaki. There's shoes, there's bags, and clothes. Yummy.
One set with crepe.
It's currently 8 degrees. Asan na ikarap natin? Yummy.
Expectation versus
Oo nga,
reality.
expectation versus
Pero ganito sa
reality. Ano ba ito kinakain, guys? Puro whip cream. Layo. 640 yen. We're back in Shinjuku. Now, we're going for Ichiran Ramen. Meron super lapit lang din dito na branch ng Ichiran. Let's see if mahaba yung pila or not. Pag mahaba yung pila sa Ichiran, doon tayo sa isang nakainan namin, Dak.
Ang shopping na lang natin yung pang-days.
Hindi ko naubos,
Ano ako siyang 10
guys.
minutes?
Sabi ng katabi ko,
Chocolate, tas may strawberry sa gitna.
Chocolate
Ay,
ba
hindi,
yun?
red
Red
bean.
bean yan. Strawberry.
Strawberry!
Parang sarap nito. Milk crepe. Hindi ako makapag-decide.
生姜が効いたたっぷりの特製醤油ダレでご飯が進む生姜焼き丼です豚肉は
Talagang kakainin niya na, oh. Go, taste test. Sarap.
Sarap, no?
Yummy! Ito na guys yung neighborhood namin.
Milk. Short cracker.
Non-fried. Gusto mo?
Is it good? Ito na na-i-vlog.
Grabe naman yan. Nagpa-vlog ka nga. Uy, baka masarap yan dito.
Oh,
Mainit.
mainit.
Uy, mainit.
Parang hindi pa luto yung loob eh. No?
Balik mo kay kuya.
Makagat ka muna. Tapos, ininom ka ng hot chocolate. Mainit yata talaga siya.
Ito, kumagat na ako. Stop.
Oh, try mo.
Feeling combo naman kayong dalawa.
Ronnie must try.
Panulak lang. Sarap naman eh. Ayoko na. Ito na lang.
Tara.
I've learned that there's an art to changing